welcome to our next installation of flying, I guess, around the world. This is another flight that was created by A Pilot's Life Chapter 2. Today we're flying from Vladivostok, Russia, to Xi'an in China. It's going to be approximately, I believe, it's a 3-hour flight on this one. A little bit maybe. And we're going to be flying in a beautiful 737 MAX aircraft by Xi'an Airlines. And I don't know very much about this airline. I believe they do mostly regional flying in sort of the eastern part of China. So today we're going to be flying with this beautiful aircraft. We are expecting 133 passengers today on this flight. And again, it's going to be just a little over 3 hours of time. But we'll pack that into a tiny little flight for you guys today. The weather looks good in both places. The nice part about this time of year, this far north in this part of the world, you don't get a lot of weather issues and stuff like that going on. So we're going to get these passengers all boarded up. As you can tell, GSX is very busy putting the bags on board this aircraft. For some reason, this guy is apparently out of the bridge with the mobile set of stairs. That is very inappropriate. You should probably tell them to go instead and send them on their way. Anyway, so we're going to get going here. Yeah, I'm going to say it. There's some sort of joke that was going to happen there. But we're going to leave that one alone. And we'll get everybody boarded up.
Urara 106, contact Vladivostok Rayon Tower 122.3.
Over to Tower 122.3 at Urara 106.
Commencing push. All engines clear. Start at wheel.
Start sequence is 2, then 1.
Check.
Start engine 2.
Starting engine 2. Starter cutout. Number 2 stable.
Start engine 1.
Start engine 1.
Please set
pressure.
parking brakes. Awaiting your confirmation for a good engine start.
Starter cutout. Number 1 stable.
Cockpit to ground. We have a good engine start. You can disconnect.
Flaps movement check.
Total disconnected. By
Advance 5. Flight controls check complete. Before taxi checklist.
Stand by.
Before taxi checklist.
Generators on. Probe heat on. Anti-ice off. Isolation valve auto. Engine start switches continuous. Recall
Checked.
checked. Auto brake RTO. Engine start levers.
Idle detect.
Flight controls.
Checked.
Ground equipment
Clear.
clear. Before taxi checklist completed.
Canaan 7902 ready to taxi to the active.
Canaan 7902, runway 07 right taxi via Papa Mike.
Runway 07 right taxi via Papa, Mike Canaan 7902.
Clear left.
Clear right.
Well, there you go. I thought that I had recorded the entire takeoff and departure, but I was having some technical difficulties, and apparently that never happened. So here you are. We are probably now at about 27,000 feet and climbing. Don't know what happened there, but I mean, when you do these kinds of things, you'll have technical difficulties once in a while. So here you go. Enjoy the climb out of Russia, and in about 3 hours we'll start our descent into China. So enjoy what you find, I guess.
10.
Speed brake up. Now reverse engine 1 and engine 2.
Lights and doors.
Check. APU on the bus.
Shutdown checklist.
Fuel pumps off. Probe heat off. Hydraulic panel set. Flaps.
Up.
Parking brake.
Set.
Engine start levers.
Cut off.
Weather radar
Off.
off. Shutdown checklist completed.
And that is the end of that. Unfortunately, we didn't get that beautiful takeoff roll and the departure on this flight, but that is okay. Right now we're just getting all the passengers off this flight. You'll notice that some of the bridges aren't connected on this thing. So how that works is GSX is a program that we use for the ground support vehicles that we have here. And along with that, they create their own bridges so that they work the way that they need to work for the ground support. Now, the unfortunate thing is that occasionally there's data that's not correct, and so the bridges aren't going to directly connect to the terminal itself. That can often change if you have a really nice, like if you look at the background, you can see it's not connected at all. But it's it can happen when you have some aftermarket scenery in there as well. Anyway, so that's the end of that flight. Our next one is going to be from here in Xi'an to, I believe, actually, you know, I don't even know. You'll just have to stay tuned and watch when the next flight comes up. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when it comes, and we'll see you guys on the next flight. Have a great evening.